After a little bit of toing and fro, we've managed to get into a car park here in Skipton. It does allow overnight parking, but unfortunately all the motorhome bays are taken up. But you can park in the normal bays.
But look at this.
Look at this place.
Oh wow.
What a cracking little find, eh?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very windy.
Wow. That's a very popular bar over there, isn't it?
Isn't it?
This is Skipton. I think I've already told you that, haven't I? Look at those. Look.
The little ones.
Rosie and Jim.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Feeding the pigeons.
There's an ice cream tug, look. See that one?
Oh, the ice cream tug. No, I didn't see that over there.
Let me look across the bridge. Wow.
That's a cracking little find, isn't it?
So glad we came
First
back.
impressions. Yeah, because we couldn't get in initially.
No.
So we went and parked up in lay-by, got some lunch and sorted ourselves out with what we were going to do.
And then parking because we got given the ticket from someone.
Yeah, we did. And then we came back here and like Anna said, we found a space and got a free ticket.
This is actually, right, listen to my bit of knowledge.
Okay.
Liverpool, Leeds Canal.
Yeah.
See?
Google works wonders,
I
doesn't
know
it?
my stuff. No, I know my stuff. Alright. It's all ready for the winter when it's cold.
To the market square now. We saw a huge market as we were coming in.
Yeah.
Missed the market. It's just closing up now, look. It's a lovely little place though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice. What's the mud? What's your head?
Oh.
Little stroll here along the canal path. That's your boat trip, look. That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, don't crash it. Canine cruisers.
That's pretty cool.
That's a good U-turn, isn't it?
Yeah.
Inches away. How nice.
So good.
The last thing. These must be ones that you could hire.
Oh yes. Look. There's
Yeah, look. Canine cruisers. I think it'd be rude if we didn't have a beer somewhere. Enjoy that?
really enjoyed it. It's nice.
Yeah, nice enjoyable beer there at the Boathouse Bar. Facing the canal, facing the basin. See on the back of that one. Not all those who wander are lost.
Oh, right. A photo of that.
Cool, isn't it? Right, so we're doing a pub. We decided to do a pub stopover tonight, and found the Cavendish Arms. So just turned up, went in and asked if we could stay, if we come in and eat.
Isla's going
Isla's
everywhere.
going all over the place, trying to sniff everything. But unfortunately, all the tables are full tonight for food, so
But they're happy for us to stay in the car park.
yeah, happy to let us stay. Obviously, we're going to go in and have a drink. So yeah, if you're going to stop at the Cavendish Arms, it's helpful to book ahead. However, it's ideally situated.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow, we said we're going on a train, and this is it.
Steamtrain.
MC and Bolton Steam Railway. So, if you want to see that, like I said earlier, stick in there and come along for the railway ride. Good morning.
Morning.
So it's our last day of our little weekend trip out, and as promised, I'm going to take you on the MC Bolton Steam Railway.
We treated ourselves, didn't we?
Got first class tickets booked, haven't we, for this as well? So it should be good fun.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is about.
Okay, that way.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. The shot of love and the spark of laughter breathe. Stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next string, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train.
Yes, we'll get you on board. I'm just going to get some steps up for
Right.
you.
Which would be the preferred one, do you think?
Well,
I'm going to have a quick
well,
look.
this one's quite interesting. Got quite an interesting story because it was owned by the London and North Western Railway,
Right.
who in turn, one of their company directors was a certain man called Sir Bruce Ismay. You may have heard of him. You heard of him?
No?
You obviously heard of the Titanic.
Yes.
Yes, he was known as the coward of the Titanic. He was the chairman of the White Star Line, and basically, it was a bit unfair what happened. But basically, he was offered an opportunity of a lifeboat. He took it,
Uh-huh.
and because he took it in front of women and children, there was no women and children. I don't think at that side.
Right.
He was considered a coward and a social pariah.
Ah.
But not many people know that as well as being the chairman of the White Star Line, he was also a director of several railways, including the London and North Western. This was a director's suite.
Oh.
So the best way of holding a secret meeting in the Victorian and Edwardian times was to put it on a train, put it moving. You know, nobody can get on board. You know, and nobody can get on board or off board.
No.
But this is also an inspection train as well. So you've got windows at the front, you've got windows at the side.
Right.
So if let's say for example you've got track inspectors, they would then sit at the back of the train, and conveniently there would be a brake.
Right.
There's a little brake handle, and if they felt that there was something wrong or something amiss on the embankment, they would stop the train by using that little brake, and then they would go out and inspect the line.
Wow.
But it was perfect. There's a reason it was so long back here is because they would have a big board meeting, a big board table, and that's usually what they would do, is usually have the meetings.
Brilliant.
Taking the lead from Victoria's book, because Victoria did the same thing. Coincidentally, that's her coach.
Oh, right.
That's Queen Victoria's
This is
coach.
Queen Victoria.
Oh,
Wow.
has to be there,
One of
doesn't
only
it?
two
Wow.
in the world that slides, and this is the only one that is actually running. The other one is in the National Railway Museum, and there you are.
Look at this.
Now,
Oh, look
I
at
have to be
that.
very careful because she's just literally been banned, hence the reason why she's got purple on her.
Right.
But a lot of people assumed that because when her husband died, a lot of people assumed that she went into a mourning, and everybody assumed that she had a lot of black. Black wasn't her favourite colour, it's actually blues and golds. So when you look inside, everything's blues, golds, reds, very, very elaborate.
Oh, yeah.
She's there in the back.
Yes, she is.
She is there. Hello! She is there in the back.
You see the
Yeah.
window.
And this would have been used between Gosport and Victoria.
Right.
Are you
Uh-huh.
right, just standing back, please, sir? Thank you. So, yeah, this would have been used between Gosport and Victoria. So when she was travelling down to Osborne House, again, she would have her privacy. She never went more than 30 miles an hour.
Okay.
She had a bell in most of the carriages to alert the driver if she wanted to stop. She also, even though these were fitted with lavatories, she never went to the toilet. So every royal station between Balmoral and Gosport had to have royal facilities because the train could stop at any time.
Right.
And she would stop the train, get off board,
Yeah.
do what she needed to do and get back on.
Brilliant.
So
Brilliant.
she would do a lot of affairs of state. The red box would also come out. She would do a lot of paperwork. And it was also a private time for her as well because she never got any privacy.
No.
One thing that she absolutely craved was privacy. And especially when her husband died, she just wanted to be alone. And the train offered her that because, again, nobody could get on or off board. Coincidentally, when she died, sadly, when she passed away, she passed away in Osborne House in Isle of Wight. They organised a huge flotilla to get her back to Gosport, and the train was late. And the king at the time, her son, didn't want the train to be late. He wanted her back in Victoria as quick as possible. Now, the driver and the fireman were terrified. They were going to lose their jobs because the train was late. So they got told to gun it. So all these mourners across this line were all lined up, hoping to see the Queen going in a mournful repose. We're shocked to see her go at 75 miles an hour going down the main line. Yes. She certainly would not have approved.
Absolute sport for choice for carriages there. What a history lesson that was.
Wow, that was really interesting, wasn't it? Really
Well, we've chosen this one at the back of the train. Look at this.
Absolutely.
Just gonna...
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. The shine of love and the spark of laughter breathe. Stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe, so take your seat.
Did I just pop the camera through the door?
Yeah.
Just got. Thank you.
We were going to do it on the way, but
Enjoy that?
That was really good.
It was good, wasn't it?
Time, yeah.
I tried to get you a shot of the Queen Victoria's carriage, but
we should have done it.
We got a little bit mobbed trying to get in there, so people just kind of jumped in front of us.
We should have done
trying
it.
to get on.
Yeah.
So, but I think we'll come back. I'd like to do the cream teas.
Cream teas would be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah, really good. Really good. So, enjoyed that though.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
Good weekend.
it finished off the weekend, isn't it?
It did finish off the weekend, so that's the end.
After us being poorly, having this, it's like
Yeah.
really gave us a boost.
I know. Right.
Thanks. Thanks for watching and all that jazz.
All that jazz.